Nancy Ola. Thank you for joining us today at ehow.com. Today we're going to learn how to make polenta, but I'm going to show you the lazy cook's way to make polenta. No, I'm not going to wimp out and use instant grits. I'm going to use real organic stone ground corn grits, but I'm going to make it in the slow cooker, so it's going to take very little time. The first thing you do is put a liner in your slow cooker, then spray the inside of the liner with nonstick cooking spray and pour in 8 cups of boiling water. Take 2 teaspoons of salt, stir that in, and then gradually drizzle in 2 cups of polenta. Give it all a good stir, cover it, set the timer for an hour on high, and walk away. When you come back, give the polenta another stir, and then set the timer for 7 to 8 hours on low. When you get home from work tonight, you'll have polenta, fresh, easy. Let me show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, I'm back from work, and my polenta is ready. I just took the lid off, I'm giving it a stir, and I've got the polenta now for anything Italian that my family wants to enjoy. Instead of using pasta tonight, I think I'm going to have some polenta with some of my great marinara sauce. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Nancy Ola, and this is ehow.com.